Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Tally Backup. First, ensure your Tally software is open. Next, identify the location of your backup file, which usually has a 900 extension. This process is straightforward and helps you quickly access your valuable financial data. We will walk through each step to make sure you can restore your information without any hassle, getting you back to work efficiently. Once Tally is open, go to the Company Info menu and select Restore. You'll need to specify the source path where your backup file is located. Then, choose the destination path where you want the restored data to be saved. It's crucial to select an empty folder or a new location to avoid overwriting existing data. This ensures a clean and successful restoration of your company files. After the restoration process completes, Tally will display a list of companies. Select the newly restored company from this list. It's a good practice to verify the data by checking a few key reports, such as the balance sheet or profit and loss statement. Confirm that all your ledgers, vouchers, and transactions are accurately reflected. This step ensures your data is complete and ready for use. If you encounter any issues, double-check your source and destination paths. Ensure you have sufficient disk space for the restored data. Remember, regular backups are essential to protect your financial information. Consider storing copies in different locations for added security. Also, for more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.